Hello everyone, welcome to the Resultant. Is your audio video clear? So let me share the session. Wait a second. Is your audio video clear? Okay, so let me share the session. Okay, so let us start. Okay, in this video lecture, we'll be discussing the most expected questions regarding the building material and construction. Okay, so this session is important for the SSC JE and RRB JE. Okay, SSC JE and RRB JE and all other state AEJ examinations. Okay, and all other state AEJ examinations. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe subscribe, and share the video. Okay, so let us start. Let us start. So this is all about me. You can go through my profile. My name is Mohammed Shoaib. Okay, so these are the subjects which I can teach. Okay, these are the subjects which I can teach for you. I have the 2+ years of experience. Okay, so we are having the RRB JE CBT 2 batch on our application Resultant. Okay, so you'll get the PYQ solution, you'll get the test series and doubt solving solution is there. All you have to do, you have to download the Resultant app. Okay, so from tomorrow we are starting the highway engineering. We are starting highway engineering. Highway engineering. Okay, the timing is 11 a.m. The timing is 11 a.m. on our app. Okay, so let us start our class. Let us start our class. The first question on your screen. The first question on your screen. So mark down the answer right now. Which of the following cement is recommended for underwater construction? Which of the following cement is recommended for underwater construction? Anyone in the chat section, what should be the answer? Anyone in the chat section, what should be the answer? Okay, what should be the answer? What should be the answer, guys? Which of the following cement is recommended for underwater construction? For underwater construction, okay. So for underwater construction, you need the quick setting. You need the quick setting, guys. Okay. So you need the quick setting. That means you will use what? You'll use the quick setting cement. Okay. You'll use quick setting cement. You'll use the quick setting cement. Absolutely correct. So the answer should be D. So where is the sulfate resistant cement used? The sulfate resistant cement is used for the places where there is the sulfate attack. Where there is the sulfate attack on the concrete. Absolutely correct, guys. Okay. This pozzolanic cement and Portland cement. What is the pozzolanic cement? This is actually the OPC cement plus some pozzolanic material. Okay. Plus some pozzolanic material. So the right answer for this question is D. Okay. Right answer for this question is D. Next question for you. Next question for you. Water cement ratio to determine the compressed strength of concrete is taken as water cement ratio to define the compressed strength of concrete. Okay, so what is the water cement ratio? What is the water cement ratio? Anyone in the chat section, what is the water cement ratio? Quickly. What is the water cement ratio? What is the Santosh? What is the answer? So, in order to determine the compressive strength of the cement, what is the water cement ratio, guys? Okay, Vinay is saying B is the answer. Okay, the water cement ratio should be B. Okay, the water cement ratio is B. That is the 0.3. Okay, that is the 0.3. Remember this compressive strength, we are using the cubes. We are using the cubes. Okay, having the size of 7.05. Okay, mm square or meter centimeter square. Absolutely correct. Okay, so the dimensions are 50 mm. 50 mm. Okay, so the water cement ratio is 0.3. Next question. Next question for you. Which of the following has maximum percentage composition of the cement? Which of the following has maximum percentage in composition of the cement? So Vinny, what is the answer? Wait a second, I will share the session again. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? What is the answer? Which of the following has maximum percentage? So silica has the maximum percentage. Silica. Vinay, it is the composition of cement. If I talk of the lime, absolutely correct. In case of lime, the lime is about 60 to 65%. Okay, and the second most component is silica. Silica. Okay, the silica is about 17 to 25%. Okay, and other ingredients like the magnesia, like the alumina. Okay, so what is the which has the maximum percentage? The maximum percentage will be lime. Okay, and the lime is denoted as what? Calcium CaO. Calcium CaO, and the silica is SiO2. Si2O. Okay, so this is silica. This is silica. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, next question for you. Kidari, good evening. Where are you all? Join the session. Join the session. Important session for you regarding the RRB JE. Regarding the RRB JE. Okay. Which of the following test detects the presence of combined lime in the cement? D. So you are using the test which gives us the idea about the uncombined lime. This uncombined lime makes the cement unsound. Makes the cement unsound. Na? Santosh, provide me the answer. Vinay, provide me the answer. Everyone in the chat section, please provide me the answers. So we know that okay, when there is the uncombined lime, that means guys, that means there will be the unsoundness of the cement, unsoundness of the cement. Okay, so this unsoundness due to lime is detected by what? It is detected by Lichards apparatus. It is detected by Lichards apparatus. Absolutely correct. And also, guys, if the soundness or unsoundness is due to what? Is due to both lime plus the what? Plus the magnesia. Then in that case, you will use the what? You will use which type of test you will use? Which is autoclave test. Autoclave test. Okay. So the Lichards layer apparatus gives the unsoundness due to lime only. Okay, due to lime only. Next question for you. I want Santosh, Vinay, I want everyone's answer. Please give me the answer. Please give me the answer. I want everyone's answer. These questions are very important regarding the RRB JE. Okay, regarding the RRB JE. So rate of increase of compressive strength. Rate of increase of compressive strength of pozzolanic cement as compared to Portland cement during first week of setting remains. During first week of the cementing remains. What? What is the answer? Okay, A is the answer. A. Kidari is saying A is the answer. Vinay is saying D is the answer. Anyone else? So we know that, sir, when we add the pozzolanic material, this pozzolanic material does not have the cementitious property. Rather, it combines with the material and possesses the cementitious property. Okay. So in case of the first week, the rate of hydration or the rate of gain of strength will be slow. The rate of gain of strength will be slow. Absolutely correct. This pozzolanic cementing material, okay, the shrinkage will be higher or less. The shrinkage will be higher or less, guys. Okay, the impermeability will be high. Okay, so it will make the cement impermeability. Okay, it will make the cement impermeable. Remember, the shrinkage is more. Shrinkage is more, guys. The shrinkage is more when we add the pozzolanic material. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay, this is the disadvantage when we add the pozzolanic material. The initial gain of strength is low, but the ultimate strength is more as compared to that of Portland cement. Okay, so the next question on your screen. Next question on your screen. So Vinay Santosh, I want the answer. I want the answer of this question now. Which apparatus is used to perform soundness test? Okay, it is the soundness test. Which which test is used to perform the soundness test? Anyone? Soundness test. Vinay. Okay. Kedar is A. Vinny A. Santosh, what is the answer? Santosh, I want the answer. Which test apparatus is used to perform the soundness? Okay, so soundness test is performed by the Leclerc's apparatus, which gives the unsoundness, guys. Unsoundness due to lime only. Unsoundness due to lime only. VB test, slump test, compaction test. Sir, all are used to assess the workability of the concrete. These are all used to assess the workability of the concrete, guys. Okay. So unsoundness is due to what? Leclerc's apparatus. Okay. Okay. And when examiner will ask you the unsoundness due to lime plus magnesia. Lime plus magnesia. So you will use which type of test? You will use directly the autoclave test. Okay. Autoclave test. Autoclave test. Next question on your screen. Next question on your screen. Next question on your screen. The four kinds of crystals in thin slab cement. Okay, name it by what? Or elite, bilite, slite, and what? Elite, bilite, and slite. What is the third? Coming with the question number, sir. Okay, D is answer. D is the answer. Elite, bilite, okay, slite, and third component is which component? Okay, third component is which component, guys? Okay, it is the flight. Okay, it is the flight component. I will write down the chemical formulas also. Don't worry. I'll write down the chemical formulas also. So till mark down this question. Mark down this question. Mark down this question till. Mark down this question now. Okay, what is the answer? So it is the quick setting cement which has the initial setting time of about how much? Which has the initial setting time of how much? Anyone in the class? Provide the answer. I want the answer, guys. I want the answer. Quick setting time. Quick setting time. Okay. So B is answer. B. A is answer. So why are you getting confused, guys? Why are you confusing yourself? Okay. So for this quick setting cement, the quick setting time is about 5 minutes only. Okay. And the final setting time, this is initial setting time. This is initial setting time. Final setting time is about 30 minutes, guys. Final setting time is about 30 minutes. Okay, so the answer is A. That is the 5 minutes. Okay, that is the 5 minutes. Next. Next. Okay, this is repeated question. This is the repeated question. This is repeated question. The soundness of the cement. The soundness of the cement is determined by what? The soundness of the cement is determined by what? Okay, it is determined by Leclerc's apparatus. Okay, it is determined by the Leclerc's apparatus. Okay, guys, absolutely correct. Come to the previous question. Come to the previous question. Okay, come to the previous question. Absolutely correct. Okay, there is the elite mineral. Okay, ALIT, elite mineral. That is also called as what? That is also called as tricalcium silicate. That is C3S. C3S na? Absolutely correct. C3S. Okay. There is again the belite mineral. There is again the belite mineral. That is also called as what? That is also called as C2S mineral. And there is the slate mineral. Okay. Slate mineral. That is also called as tricalcium aluminate. C3A. And the fourth component is slate mineral. Okay. So in that case, you will be okay. The formula is C4AF. Okay, the formula is C4AF. Okay, so the correct answer is D. The correct answer is D. Okay, so this was the extra information regarding the elite, belite, and slide. Okay, now mark down this answer. Mark down this answer now. So the specific gravity of commonly available OPC cement is what? The specific gravity of commonly available OPC cement is how much? 3.15. 3.15. Kidari, Vinay, 3.15. Everyone is providing absolutely right answer. The specific gravity for commonly available OPC cement is 3.15. Okay, what is the apparatus used to determine the specific gravity? Anyone in the chat section? What is the apparatus used to determine the specific gravity? Anyone? 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 He will ask you. Anyone? He will ask you. What is the apparatus used to determine specific gravity? Okay. Anyone in the chat section? No one is providing the answer, please, guys. So it is the Lechards. No, it is the specific gravity. So it will be flux, Lechards flux. Piconometer is also correct, but it is in case of the soils. Lechards flask. Okay, not the Lechards apparatus. It is Lechards flask. Okay, absolutely correct. There is piconometer also. So you can mark down the answer 3.15. Okay, next. Now, there are the two processes of making of the concrete. The first one is the dry process and the second one is the wet process. Okay. Okay. So which process is economical? Which process is more economical? I will mark down this also. Don't worry. Now I want the answer first regarding this question. So D is answer. D is answer. So the limestone and the shales or the slurry is burnt in rotatory kilns at the temperature, okay, to obtain cement dry powder. Dry process to dry process, guys. Okay. So in case of the dry process, the temperature remains 1400 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. Okay. There are two processes. First one is the dry process and the second one is the wet process. Remember, here the cost is low, so it is economical. So it is economical. Absolutely correct. Here the cost is high. Okay, cost is high. That is uneconomical process. Uneconomical process. Okay. So here the material is fed to the rotatory cleaners in the dry form. But here wet form is used. Okay, wet form is used. Guys, the answer is D. Okay, the temperature remains 1400 degrees Celsius to 1500 degrees Celsius. The correct answer should be D. Okay, next question. Next question. The percentage of water for making the cement paste of normal consistency. The percentage of water, the percentage of water for making the cement paste of normal consistency varies from what? Varies from what? I want the answer. The percentage of water, B, okay. The percentage of water for making the cement paste of normal consistency. Okay, so you need the 25 to 35% of water. Okay, guys, you need the 25 to 35% of water. Okay, so if I write down the water requirement for, if I write down water requirement for, if I write down the water requirement for, okay, hydration of cement, guys, absolutely correct. In that case, The bound water is how much? The bound water you required, the bound water for cement hydration required is about 23% by weight of cement. 23% by weight of cement. Absolutely correct. And the gel water is about, and the gel water is about how much? The gel water will be about 15% of weight of the cement. Okay. And the total water required is about 38%. Okay. 38%. Absolutely correct. So the right answer is 25 to what? 35%. 25 to 35%. Absolutely correct. The answer should be B. Okay, next question. Next question. Okay. Next, this is also a repeated question. I think there are repeated questions. Okay, sorry guys. There may be one, two questions repeated. So you can compromise. Don't worry. Santosh, Kedari, Vinay, I want the answers. So during the temperature of mix of different ingredients, the temperature remains what? 1600 degrees Celsius. It is okay. More precise is 1400 degrees Celsius. More precise, you can go with 1400 degrees Celsius because it is 1400 to 1500. Okay, 1500. So Kidari is saying D is the answer. So most preferred answer provided in the book is 1400. Okay, 1400. Now next question. What is the gypsum? What is the gypsum, guys? The chemical formula for the gypsum. The chemical formula for the gypsum. Santosh B, anyone else? Kidari B, anyone else? Anyone else? Guys, the gypsum consists of, it is actually the CaO, CaSO4, calcium sulfate, okay, plus 18 times of H2O, okay, plus 18 times of H2O. So the right answer is absolutely correct. So the right answer is B, okay, right answer is B. Next question. These are easy questions. In the RRB JE examination, okay, there is a lot of syllabus for the technical subjects, but the level is not that much very difficult. Okay, he will ask you the basic questions. He will ask you basic questions. Remember this, he will ask you basic questions. Now, the gypsum is added to the cement for the purpose of, okay, what is the purpose of gypsum? What is the purpose of gypsum? Anyone answer? B. Kedari is saying B is the answer. So, okay, reducing setting. What is the answer, Santosh? Santosh, what is the answer? So the gypsum is actually the decelerator. Absolutely correct. That means it reduces setting time. Setting time. Okay. So if you have to prevent the flush setting, if you have to prevent flush setting, so you will add what? If you have to prevent flush setting, absolutely correct. You have to add the gypsum. Add gypsum. So gypsum will do one thing. It will reduce the setting time. Okay. So control the initial setting time of the cement. Absolutely correct. Control the setting time. Okay. So the answer should be B. How this flush setting is caused? Guys, the flush setting is caused by what? Okay. Reduce initial setting time. Reduce, no, not reduce. Increase the initial setting time. This decelerator. It is not the accelerator. It will not reduce. Guys, it will not reduce. Santosh, correct yourself. So flush setting is actually the, okay, flush setting is actually the release of, okay, gain of strength, gain of strength without the release of heat of hydration. Without the release of heat of hydration. Okay, next question. Now the calcareous material. The calcareous material is the material which is used in the manufacture of cement. Consists of what? It consists of what? It consists of what? Okay, calcareous material used in the manufacture of cement consists of D. Kedari is saying answer is D. Okay, so all. Okay, Santosh, what is the answer? So calcareous material used in the manufacture of cement consists of, guys, it consists of limestone. It is actually the calcium compounds. Okay. So chalk is also made up of the lime. Callus is also made up of the lime. So it can be all. All can be the answer. Okay. So chalus, chalk and lime, these are all calcareous compounds used for making the cement. Absolutely correct. Next. Now what is the fly ash? What is the fly ash? Fly ash. What is the fly ash? The main constituent of the fly ash is, fly ash is composed of aluminum oxide, silica, ferrous oxide, all of these. Okay. So the fly ash is usually composed of the silica. Absolutely correct. This fly ash is composed of the silica. Okay. Silica. Next question. Now the compound which is used to, okay, which is quickest among to react with the water. To react with the water. In the cement, the compound quickest to react with the water is. Quickest to react with the water is. So what is the answer? C is the answer. Quickest. Okay. So we have the cement, guys. We have the cement. Absolutely correct. So in case of cement, we are adding the water. We are adding the water. Absolutely correct. Now, guys, when we add the water, there will be the formation of compound. The first compound will be C3A. The first compound will be C3A. Quickest to react with the water. So it is tricalcium silicate. That means it will release maximum heat. It will release maximum heat. Okay, maximum heat. Absolutely correct. Okay, so there is the dicalcium silicate, C2A. That, sorry, C2S. That provides the ultimate strength. Okay, these are the questions in the next slides. Ultimate strength. Okay, next question. Okay, the ultimate strength. The ultimate strength. Ultimate strength to the cement is provided by what? Ultimate strength to the cement is provided by what? B. Kidari B. Anyone else? So ultimate strength. Remember, there are two types of strength. First, I will talk of the early strength or early strength. Absolutely correct. So in case of the early strength is provided by C3S within 7 days. Within 7 to 28 days. Absolutely correct. But after 28 days, there is the development of the ultimate strength. Ultimate strength, which is developed by dicalcium silicate, dicalcium C2S. Okay. And also you should remember that this dicalcium silicate, the cement which has the more amount of dicalcium silicate is chemical resistant cement. Is chemical resistant cement. Okay. Chemical resistant cement. So the answer of this question is dicalcium silicate. Next. So percentage of void is in the cement. What is the percentage of void is in the cement? What is the percentage of void is in the cement? B, 20%. 20, mark, correct yourself. Is that 20%? 20%. I think the answer is 40%. The percentage of void is in the cement is approximately. Okay, the gel water and the bound water. That is approximately 38%. So the void is in the cement will be 40%. Okay. The void is in the cement will be 40%. The void is present in the cement will be 40%. Next question. We can check this question also. Don't worry. Okay. As compared to ordinary Portland cement, we have the high alumina cement. The high alumina cement, which has higher strength, okay, which has high strength. It is high alumina cement as compared to Portland cement. Higher initial setting time, but lower final setting time. C. Higher initial and final setting time. So what is the initial setting time and what is the final setting time? Can you provide me the answer? What is the initial setting time and what is the final setting time? Okay, C. Now C. Write down. Write down the initial and final setting time of high alumina cement. Can you write the answer? Can you write the answer? Okay, I'll explain this. Don't worry. I'll explain this. So it has the higher initial setting time. It has high alumina cement, guys. It has the lower final setting time. Okay. It has the higher initial setting time. It has higher initial setting time. How much? Guys, how much? That is 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. And also lower final setting time. It has lower final setting time. How much? Lower final setting time. How much? Anyone? 5 hours. 5 hours. If we talk of the Portland cement, okay, PC cement or OPC cement. In case of OPC cement, the higher the initial setting time, that is about 30 minutes. Okay. And the final setting time is about 10 hours. Okay. Is about 10 hours. That is final setting time. So you can go with uh, we can go with higher initial setting time but lower final setting time. A is the answer. Hidari, mark down your right answer. A answer. Okay. Okay. A answer. Next question. So in quick setting cement, the compounded added is, so we have the quick setting cement. We have the quick setting cement. Which type of compound you will add? Which type of compound you will add in case of quick setting cement? So when you have the quick setting cement, you have to add the accelerator. So which among the following will be accelerator? Guys, it is quick setting cement. Kidari, what are you doing? What are you doing? It is quick setting cement. Calcium sulfate is also gypsum. Kidari, what are you doing? Calcium sulfate is also the gypsum. So what is the answer now? What is the answer now? A. Okay, aluminum sulfate is added. In case of the what? In case of the quick setting cement. Actually it is also calcium chloride CaCl2 that acts also as the accelerator. That also acts as the accelerator, guys. Absolutely correct. So the answer is A. These calcium sulfate and gypsum, these are one thing. These are one thing. Okay, na? These are one thing. So right answer should be A. Next question. Next question. These all questions will be discussed in an RRB JE examination. Okay. So Kedari, I request you, please be in the class. Okay, be in classes. Okay, be in classes. Okay. Which compound of the cement is responsible for strength of cement? Now it is strength of cement. B. It is the strength of cement. Guys, strength of cement. So what could be the answer? Which compound provides the strength to the cement? Anyone? Anyone? Silica. Absolutely correct. Okay. Silica is responsible for the strength to the cement. Okay. So B is answer. Vinay is now correcting answer. That is B. Okay. So Vinay is providing the answer B. That is silica is responsible for strength to the cement. If it is an excess, I'll write down silica. Guys, the silica in excess. Silica in excess. What will happen? Silica in excess. What will happen, guys? Okay. So it causes decrease in strength. If it is an excess increase in strength of cement. Okay, but okay. It increases the strength, but also increases the setting time. It increases setting time. Okay, setting time. Don't worry. So the answer is B. Next. Next, mark down the next. Weight of the cement. Weight of the cement in the standard bags of cement available in the open market is how much? How much is the weight? How much is the weight? Remember, we will continue this series. We will continue this series. Okay. So I want everyone in the class, please. We'll continue this series. Okay, till building materials are finished. Okay. So the weight of one bag of cement is 50 kg. It is net weight. Remember that. It is net weight. It is net weight. Okay. And also, guys, it is net weight. Also, I can write down the volume of one bag of cement. The volume of one bag of cement is 0.0345 meter cube. That is the volume of one bag of cement. Okay. So the examiner may ask you, there are 20 tons of cement. How many bags they will form? There are 20 tons of cement. How many bags they will form? Can you provide me the answer? How many bags they will form? How many bags they will form? If there are 20 tons of cement, guys, one bag weight is 50 kg. Okay, so 20 tons. First, I will calculate the first 20 tons in kg. That means I have to multiply it by the 1000. Okay, to get the kgs. To get the kgs. Divided by 50. This will give me the what? This will give me the number of bags of cement. Okay, number of bags of cement. And that is what? That is nothing but, okay, it is 400 bags. 400 bags of cement. Now the 20 tons of cement will be 400 bags of cement. Okay. He can also ask you like that. We have 1 meter cube of cement. 1 meter cube of cement. How many bags they will form? How many bags they will form? So it is 1 meter cube. Okay, now divided by 0.035. You can mark down. Okay. Now you have to calculate in volume. Okay, guys. Next. Next. Everything will be discussed. Kedari, are you enjoying the class? Are you enjoying the class? Vinay, where are you? Write the answer of this question now. Which constituent of cement upon addition of water settles and hardens first? Settles and hardens first. Okay. It settles and hardens first. So tricalcium silicate. So tricalcium silicate. Okay. So if I talk of the tricalcium aluminate, if I talk of the tricalcium aluminate, C3S. Okay, C3S is tricalcium aluminate provides the heat of hydration. Okay, provides the heat of hydration. Absolutely correct. Provides the heat of hydration. Also, it goes hydration within 24 hours. Within 24 hours of addition of water. Okay, so this will be first to set and harden. Okay, to set and harden in the cement. The correct answer is B. Next. Okay, so this was today's class. This was today's. Okay, so I'll bring lot of questions in this session. Okay, I'll bring lot of questions in the session, but you have to attend the class. Okay, you have to attend the class. Quickly tell me. Okay, quickly I'm going to tell you what I have for you. So we are having the aim batch for the RRB JE CBT 2. Okay, CBT 2. You will get the PYQ solution. You will get the quiz solution. You will get the test series and PYQ solutions. Okay. Okay, I'll share the PDF too. Okay, share the PDF too. Don't worry. Okay, so I'll send you the Telegram group. I'll send you the Telegram group. Then you can follow me there. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. So you can text me. I'll send you the PDF. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with the Resultant. Okay, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much.